Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I am sharing with y'all my DIY Ikea lookalike makeup vanity. I originally was going to buy the Ikea makeup vanity that I've seen online, but when I went there I wasn't really impressed with the quality of the drawers and the price, so I decided to do some research and I found all this for a lot cheaper. I will try to find the links for all of the supplies and I will put it in the description below. So if you decide to do a DIY cheaper Ikea makeup vanity, you can have the links. At the end of the video, I'm also going to show you some things to go inside the drawers and on top of the vanity that were really cheap. Some of them were like $1. So I will show you where to go buy those as well. So I ended up having to order these online, and this is how it comes to me in the mail. And I just opened one of the boxes to show y'all what the box looks like in case you were getting it at the store. And I'm really excited to put this together and put my makeup in it. I have been waiting for this for so long, and now it's finally here and I can put it all together. I wanted to show you all these little things I got at Dollar Tree. I was very impressed. They have these rubber like insoles in them, and these come in packs of 2. These are great for like lip glosses, mascaras, and I also got these bigger ones, and I have it set up. Some drawers I have like these 2 in there. So in this drawer I have a long one and a medium. This is just like my highlighters and bronzers that I have found so far. All of these were $1, and I think that's really good quality for the price I paid. This is actually an idea I found online, but somebody said that you can use these little mirror things at Dollar Tree, and they're like little things you set your candles on, to actually put your foundation, your liquid foundation on here, and then you just take this and wash it off and disinfect it. So I really like this. It sits on my vanity when I'm doing my makeup, so I can pour my liquid foundation in there, and I got it from Dollar Tree, and it was just $1, so really excited about that. Here is the plexiglass I got from Lowe's, and I had them cut it to fit the top of my table. Thank you guys for watching. Please hit that thumbs up button and the subscribe button. And I would like to do a video where I go through all my makeup totes and get rid of most of it, and then the stuff I keep put in these drawers, and show you my organization like in them. So I'm thinking about doing that. Comment down below what you would like to see me do. And I think that's it.